You need to hear this if you're a frequent flyer. Welcome to Trailvia channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel tips. You know, flying economy doesn't have to be a cramped experience. Let's start with the seat map. It's your secret weapon. When you're booking, take a good look at that map and scout out the best spots. Look for exit rows, bulkheads, or those sweet two-seat configurations. Trust me, it's worth the extra time. Now, here's a game changer. Check in as early as possible. Wow, this can make such a difference. As soon as that check-in opens up, jump on it. You might find some amazing seats that weren't available before. And don't stop there. Keep checking right up until boarding. Sometimes, last-minute changes can work in your favor. Oh, and if you're flying United, their app will even send you notifications about better seats. How incredible is that? All right, let's talk strategy. If you want to increase your chances of having an empty seat next to you, try booking towards the back of the plane. I know it sounds counterintuitive, but trust me on this one. And if you're traveling with a partner, here's a little hack. Book the window and aisle, leaving the middle open. There's a good chance it'll stay empty, and if not, most people are happy to switch. Oh, and guys, don't forget about those affordable upgrades. Many airlines offer extra legroom seats for a small fee. It's like, wow, you can actually stretch out your legs. The comfort is just incredible. So good. Wow, these tips can really transform your economy flying experience. Remember, it's all about strategy and timing. Happy travels, everyone. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Trailvia channel for more amazing travel tips.